My baby's 23, so I know I've been going to a chiropractor since she's been, well, before she was born. I did something to my back, and when I was pregnant with her, and then my hips have never been the same, and just going from chiropractor to chiropractor, and they seem to do the manipulation like twisting.
I don't remember what brought me here, but what was important for me was maintenance. To just make sure I work in a hospital, I see people getting sick, I will do whatever I can to stay as healthy as that I can be.
It's probably been about 1.5 years I've been coming here, and it's amazing. Like, I talk about them all the time. I say people should come here.
I had an injury from a chiropractor on my hand, first of all, I thought I would never go to a chiropractor, but I thought after a while, you know what, I can give it a try, and I heard it was very, very gentle. So I just went for the assessment, and I was very impressed.
He's helped me amazing. I don't have any hip pain, and when I do, it's probably self-inflicted. So, and I try to come every 3 to 4 weeks now, so just maintenance, so I'm really happy about it.
I've been very impressed, and I've been coming back ever since. I also come here for acid reflux, and it makes a huge difference. I don't need to have medication. It doesn't bother me anymore. So I just come here for maintenance.
I don't have the constant aches in my hips or as many headaches as I used to get. I explain more is that he doesn't manipulate you, and I don't even know if that's the right word, but just, you know, when you get the twisting and everything, when other chiropractors twist you, and I just said, he just aligns your spine. So you wouldn't think how much the spine really affects every part of your body.